Are you looking for the best twist drill bits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best twist drill bits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DEWALT Black and Gold Drill Bit Set. The DEWALT Black and Gold Drill Bit Set is a great choice for those looking for a reliable set of drill bits for their projects. The 135-degree split-point tip design helps reduce walking, while the high-speed steel construction ensures durability and longevity. The black and gold coating helps prevent rust and wear, and the 3/flats shank reduces spin out in the chuck. Size markings on the drill bit shank make it easy to identify sizes quickly. Up next in the 4th place is the Rocaris 6-pack titanium coated HSS twist drill bits. Rocaris titanium coated drill bits are a set of high-quality drill bits made of HSS material with a titanium coating. With 6 different sizes, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 6.5mm, 8mm, these drill bits are designed to fit the majority of power drills on the market. The fully ground spiral groove design reduces friction and heat, resulting in faster and cooler drilling performance. The 135-degree split point with straight shank prevents walking and ensures precise and faster drilling. The serrated side cutting feature allows the drill to continue drilling horizontally, making it ideal for thin boards, wood, aluminum alloy, plastic, and groove processing. These drill bits provide 2x life over standard impact drill bits, making them a durable and efficient choice for various drilling tasks. The 3rd product on our list is the COMOWARE Titanium Drill Bit Set. The COMOWARE Titanium Twist Drill Bit Set is a 13-piece set made of high-speed steel with a titanium coating for durability and capability. It features a quick change 1/4-inch hex shank that fits into all power tools, and a drill bits holder with size index for easy storage. Suitable for home DIY and general building engineering use, this set is great for metal, wood, and plastic countersinking. 2nd on our list is the DEWALT 181 21-piece set Black Oxide coated HSS twist drill bit set. The DEWALT 181 21-piece set Black Oxide coated HSS twist drill bit set is an ideal choice for general-purpose drilling materials like metal, hardwood, softwood, PVC, and fiberglass. It features a parabolic flute design that increases chip ejection in metal and wood drilling applications, and a black oxide coating that helps resist corrosion and increase durability. The split point tips drill on contact and prevents walking on the hard surface you're working on, while the helix reduces over-aggressiveness of true parabolic flute, making it ideal for drilling deep holes. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT Titanium Nitride Coated Drill Bit Set. The DEWALT Titanium Nitride Coated Drill Bit Set is a 21-piece set that includes sizes from 1/16-inch to 1/12-inch in a plastic tough case. It features a patented bit bar design that allows for easy removal of bits and customizable placement, and a clip latch for secure closing. The set also has a connectable accessory storage system to optimize storage space, and a clear lid that allows you to easily see contents at a glance. Customers have praised the set for its sharpness and strength, as well as its convenient storage case. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.